How many people are in boot camps or thinking about boot camps right now? All right, do we have any CS students or CS grads? All right, and then anybody that's just self-teaching right now? All right, and anybody looking for a job right now? All right, cool, so this will be relevant. All right, so I thought this would be bigger. Feel free to take a picture if you can't see this. A lot of these things you already know and probably have already been told, but I was able to talk to some of the engineers and they told me specifically what they're looking for when they get resumes that come in. So they are actually looking at your GitHub. I know that's like something you guys always told us, your GitHub, portfolio, LinkedIn, and I could see them and hear them when they're actually getting these people in. Like, and Mike is looking through these, they're looking at this stuff. The guy that hired me actually mentioned my blog, my Medium articles. So the things that people talk about is true. This team actually is looking at all this stuff. They really do care. So, I mean, you're coming to meet up, so that's good. Continue to network. Network on LinkedIn. If you can go to a hackathon, that's a good opportunity. And include an internship in your job search. That's something I just wasn't thinking to search for. I was just, front-end development, web development. But if you put in an internship, you'll see there are a lot of them out there. So that may be a route that you want to go to. All right, so this is just a little piece of advice that I wanted to give. If you have been on the job hunt kind of train, you're probably going to get a bunch of emails that look like this, that has all these cities that you never said you want to work in. You got this yellow highlighting, it always has this yellow highlighting, and then 8 years of experience. I don't have 8 years of experience, and it's always like a language that you've never said that you used at all before. So I kind of suggest getting a Google phone number at voice.google.com so that the calls that are coming in will not be going to your phone, because it's hard to get the recruiter calls to stop, especially when they're completely irrelevant to what you're trying to do. Piece of advice, it could get really annoying. Same thing with an email. You may want to consider getting a separate email or putting a filter or something on your email, because yeah, it's pretty relentless. People that's been through that know what I'm talking about.